Hi everyone, so it's Adrienne, and so far this week, it's like a week before I go to university, and so far I've just been preparing and things, like that. I've just been packing my stuff, and I'm gonna just, see what I can do, like revision wise, because I've been trying to do like little bits of German every day, but some days obviously I haven't been doing it, like today, for instance, so far, but I might just do some right now. Yeah, so I've packed a lot of stuff, so far. I've put all my stuff like really tidily in IKEA bags. Yeah, and I'm just, really looking forward to it now. I'm really looking forward to starting another year. And I'm just going to have a look as well at my timetable so I can just show you. I think I definitely am feeling like a lot more prepared this year compared to last year, because obviously, like a bit more what to expect. You have more friends, less pressure in a way. Yeah, I really like my hair at the moment. So I did this a few days ago. I think it was yesterday actually. I just plaited it and then no, I just put water in it, brushed it out, and then put some products on it, and then just French plaited it. And I have this headband which I really like, and it's from Accessorize or something like that. I can't remember. I got it in Southampton. But anyway, these are like these are my earrings that I got for my birthday from Harry. So yeah, and I love them. The the brand is Clog Eye, and I love this ring as well. I got this for my 18th birthday. I bought it on the way to France in the airport. And yeah, I don't know. I just saw it and I just really liked it, but I haven't worn it in ages because I tried it on in the airport and I think I was just like really hot or something, just rushing around. Um, so at the airport, if it fit me at the time, but afterwards it didn't fit me anymore when I got back, home. So I think I must have bought the wrong size. I think because it's a lot hotter in Barcelona that your fingers swell or something like that. And I've got these as well. So you can see this one here. I love it on my thumb. It's just a bit different. It's not so like in your face and kind of balances it out a bit more. And then I have this plain band as well. And I got these things to put on the back of them because it's just like plastic ring ring sizes, because obviously they're a bit big. And the same on this one as well. And it's really good. But yeah, so I've pretty much done a lot of my packing now, like most of it. I would say like 2/3 of it. So what I need to do now is just put like my towels in the bag and just, yeah, things like that. And just, just little things. And it's all looking really tidy. And then there's this side as well. See? Um, and obviously that was really tiring. And I made a jacket potato for lunch, and I had, some butter and a Linda McCartney pie. And I went to the post office as well, and then I just had like a walk to Asda. So yeah. And I think what I'm going to do now is just practice like a little bit of my German, and then maybe do a tiny bit of Spanish, because I don't want to be forgetting anything. So I think what I'm going to do for Spanish is practice the use of se, because that's something that I don't understand that well. Is all of the different ways that it's used pretty much. And I think for German, I might just look over, the imperfect and the other past tense as well, and just practice those two, and maybe a tiny bit of the present, but I think I'm okay for that. And then if I'm depending on how well I do with those, I might, what's the word? Oh yeah, I might do the tiny little paragraph of my German book, because it's split into different chapters, and I've done all of this, like, I can't remember which chapter it is. I think it's the third chapter, but I just have to read the last one, and then it's literally like this big, and then just answer some questions. So yeah, and I've been watching this person on YouTube who's currently on their year abroad, during the pandemic right now, and it's really interesting because they're in Italy, and yeah. So this is my timetable. So I'm doing obviously stage 3 and 4 German, I'm doing French and Spanish, and then I have one other module, which is like a history, politics, and cultural module, and it's about Vienna and Berlin from 1890, and that's really cool. So the pink and the orange are my lectures online, and then the blue are the ones I actually have in uni. So I think that should be good. I hope it goes okay. So I'm only going to be in for how long? 2, 4, 6, 8 hours. I can't believe that. So yeah. And the orange ones are live as well. So obviously then it's good because I'll get myself into like a bit of a routine